What is up, everybody? Technic here. I am sorry that I've been away for so long, but I am back. Glad to be back. I've decided to kind of narrate over this video. I decided that the first video that I was going to do upon my return was an unboxing video, and I might as well just tell y'all where I've been. So let's go ahead and get into the video, shall we? First off, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you, to all my subscribers, to the people that are watching this video right now. Even if you're a new viewer, for the people that have liked my videos in the past and everything, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. That really means a lot. I apologize for being away for so long, but as I'm talking through this video, I kind of just want to get 3 key talking points done, so everybody kind of is caught up with what I've been doing, the future of this channel and everything. So the 3 key talking points that I do want to pinpoint in this video is 1, where the heck have I been? 2, the goals for my channel, and 3, the future of this channel. Alright, so for the first key talking point, where the heck have I been? So I was in the process of moving from Japan back to America, and that process was very, very long, a lot longer than I thought it would be. It entailed me, packing up all of my items and belongings and everything, getting it set up to be moved all the way to my new home in America, and it took a very long time. I will say that it took a very long time. It took even longer for all of our belongings to actually get to the new house. So that was the biggest issue of me not being able to make any videos or anything, which I could have, just made it from my phone or whatever, but I didn't have my computer to edit it. I didn't have like all this other stuff. And in fact, what you're seeing right now in this unboxing video is a new camera that we own. So this will be the official camera for me making videos from now on, unless I'm making videos on the screen or on a device screen. But other than that, I think that this camera is going to be something that a lot of you as a viewer will like, because the camera is actually pretty clear. I'm still learning how to use it every single day, but at the same time, it's kind of a battle you go through when you get some new technology. You just have to like learn all the tricks with it. But yeah, that's pretty much where I've been. So I apologize if I've been away for a very long time, but that was the gist of it. I was pretty much getting ready to go back to America. There was a lot of preparation into that without like getting into too much details about it. There was a lot of things that I had to do, and I will say, thankfully, everything as far as all of our belongings, like all of our stuff, survived except like our couch and maybe a few other things here and there. But it was we were grateful to like still have what we still have and everything. So it's nothing too bad. As far as the second key talking point, so the goals for this channel, now that this channel is revived, what are my goals? So short-term goal, I'm going to try to make it to 1,000 subscribers. It's actually a pretty big milestone for any channel. And what I didn't realize is while I was away, there was still people, watching my YouTube videos and apparently subscribing to and liking the video. So the last time I checked on my YouTube channel, I think I only had about 120 subscribers, and out of nowhere I have like over 300, and that is like insane to me. Like it's mind-boggling. I didn't expect people to kind of like the videos that I've made or the content that I made so far. So I was very surprised, and I'm very grateful. So I appreciate that, and I appreciate you guys for that. But at the same time, this kind of tells me what a lot of like content people were watching, which was the PS Vita hacking videos at the time, which I can definitely guarantee you can definitely expect more PS Vita videos coming, because yes, I absolutely do have all of my PS Vita still, and in fact, I also have a few treats for y'all in the future as far as like unboxing videos if you like those, and as well as PS Vita hacking videos too. So I got my hands on something very rare as far as PS Vita related, and I cannot wait for y'all to see it. I'm going to show you it, and it was kind of like one of the last items that I managed to find before I left Japan, and I was very happy to go come home with it. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and I don't want to spoil it, but please stay tuned for that next video. Yeah. As far as short-term goals for the channel, definitely 1,000 subscribers. I'll see if I can hit it by maybe August of next year. Who knows? I might be able to. I might not. We'll see. I'm just going to keep continuing to make videos and see where it goes from there. And the last key talking point that I wanted to really get into, and I wanted to get the most into, because it's very important. So the last key talking point is the actual future of this channel. So based off of what I've been making in the past, and seeing the analytics of the videos and what people like to watch, and all the comments and everything. So based on the past, I started making unboxing videos, and which gained a little bit of popularity here and there. I mean, it's unboxing videos, and everybody likes unboxing videos, which I do love making unboxing videos too. But at the same time, a lot of people really liked the PS Vita hacking videos, which the PS Vita is definitely still relevant. I can tell you that right now. The PS Vita is also very much alive in Japan, and it's honestly insane, like how alive the PS Vita was. Like I could just walk into a store out in Japan and there was still like complete in box PS Vitas there, and it was just all surprising more than everything. So if you were to go to Japan like in this day and age, like right now, you probably could still find a PS Vita in the store somewhere. So it's actually it's actually pretty mind-boggling. And I do still tinker around with the PS Vita. For those of you that don't know, I have also built my own computer, like my own personal computer, and I've been kind of using that to, attempt to develop some things for the PS Vita too. So, as far as the future of this channel, you can expect to see some like development for the PS Vita, as far as like apps, as far as maybe a game here and there. I'm kind of trying to work with a few programs. Like a lot of people make their games with Unity, and I've been trying to experiment a little bit with that. And there's also some new, because remember, I just want to reiterate, this is a technology channel. This is not just a video game channel. So I do have some other like technology, or some other I guess I could say technology. I do have a lot of other very cool video game items and other types of technology that I do want to show up on the channel, and I think it would be a pretty cool like breath of fresh air, going into like my channel revival and everything. So I think a lot of people will like the new types of videos that I'm going to be putting out. It's more going to be kind of informative, but at the same time, I'm going to like make it, I'm going to make it as interesting as I can make it, because some of the things that I do want to talk about are very, very cool. Some of the things that I do want to show y'all are very like some of these things are so cool that I didn't even know like things like this existed, and I can't wait to show y'all. So as far as the future of this channel, the most important thing to tell y'all is this channel has a future. So please stay tuned for the videos coming up. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know this isn't really the video that this isn't really the video that I expected to make as far as like a comeback video, but I also wanted to let y'all, my subscribers, and whoever views this channel, whoever views this video, um, this is what I want to do for the channel. This is what I want to do for y'all, and I appreciate y'all for watching. So this is Tech Nick. I apologize for rambling a little bit, but at the same time, I'm very happy to be back, and I'm very happy to put out more videos for y'all. So this is Tech Nick, and I'll see y'all in the next video.